You are going to love the 2022 1500. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.